I did a video today talking about Neo getting into AI. Well, it just got better, another notch step up again. You may say to yourself, it's impossible. Well, it just did. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. What is happening? Neo's goal is to have the complete ecosystem, and I spoke about that before, where Neo does not need to buy anything from anyone to complement our EV industry. But also, when you buy something from Neo and you get into the ecosystem, you don't have to leave. You want a vacuum cleaner in the future, we will get that for you as well. Whatever you need, we got it. What is happening to cause Money Making Mitch to put on the hat? Excuse me guys, Neo is stepping up its push into robotics. As the Chinese, yes, you heard that right, robotics. As the Chinese electric vehicle maker posted new campus recruiting listings seeking specialists in embodied AI and simulation systems in January, the local media outlet 21st Century Business Herald reported the EV maker formed a small unit of about 20 staff to explore four-legged robot development. Yes, so the robots will work in the factory, our own robots. The team is led by Shu Kang, a former algorithm expert from the startup Momenta, who joined Neo's autonomous driving team in 2020. The job posting shared on Friday by automotive blogger on Weibo showed that Neo is hiring for AI robotics researcher engineer roles in Shanghai. The description focuses on injecting large model capabilities into physical robots to enable precise closed-loop operation in the physical world. So I already know what the shorts will say. Oh, more cash burn. Neo also called for engineers to design planning algorithms based on transformer and diffusion policy to boost manipulation flexibility. Another listing for robotic simulation system researcher engineer focuses on the construction of highly fidelity virtual environments, including sensors, actuators, and interactive objects to train and validate algorithms. The company said these roles would support sim-to-real tuning and optimize simulation parameters for practical deployment. As reported by EV in late August, practical deployment, robots working in the factory. The automaker registered new Nomi trademarks, expanding its AI brand to cover humanoid robots, teaching robots, biochip sensors, you heard that right, and integrated circuit chips. Medical field, here we also come. It says Neo's first introduced Nomi in 2017 as the car voice assistant system with AI integration coming later in the process to expand the capabilities. In terms of industrial robots at its EV factories, Neo's F2 plant in Hefei operated last year with 310 automated guided vehicles and nearly 1,000 industrial robots. Neo's head of humanoid robots for intellectual engineering said earlier this year the automaker has assembled a humanoid robot squad in 2023. You see, if the orange putty tat don't open the door for superior technology to come in, I've said it before, we will stay in the Stone Age, but I believe it's coming. They will have to open the door because now China is making their own chips. So we have no bargaining card. The company tested robotic arms equipped with 5G connectivity and vision algorithms and integrated humanoid robots into quality control tasks. Partnerships with established robotic firms have already been trialed. In February, UBTech's Walker S humanoid robot was shown working on a Neo assembly line inspecting seatbelts, locks, headlights. In July, a Quavo humanoid robot running Huawei's Harmony OS was undergoing testing at Neo's facilities. The company aims to start mass production of its Iron robot next year. Let me say that again. The company aims to start production of its mass market production of Iron robot next year. So while the rest of the playing field try to catch up, Neo always lead. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so guys, Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.